Namaste, fellow yogis. Hi. It's been a while since some of you have connected with me. I thank you so much for your subscription. And I'd like to send out each week when I update the new videos to say, hey, what have you been doing lately? Have you been practicing? And what are some of your concerns and questions? You can always email me, and I would love to even just send you a video like this. Please connect. This is what this is all about, the connection. The yoga practices that I share with you are online are that, my sharing to you, where I feel that in the moment, the necessities to move the body, to come home, to quell, to sit with the self, to be in your sovereignty. What does that mean? That means loving yourself. So this is just a quick little reminder to say that I am here with you, and that each week when I upload the videos for your subscription, for your practice in the moment, that I'm here to remind you. So let's do this together. Let's stay connected, and let's be very mindful of how we are choosing to be in this world. You are the other me, and I'm the other you, and we are all connected. We are one. So don't feel that you're alone or you're not able to connect or do what it is that you feel that you want to do. Get out of your head, get into your body and into your heart, and let's celebrate this mindful movement called life, okay? Have a sense of humor and just be real. That's what this is all about. And make sure you do have all your props, at least a blanket, a bolster, your yoga mat, a good sense of humor, a yoga strap of some sort, and your 2 blocks. Please just set up your space so that you are always set up for success. And if not, some days just go with the flow, at least show up. I'm here for you. TeresaGagno.com is the yoga guidance I celebrate each day with you on the mat. I'll see you in the episodes, and again, feel free to email me. All the contact information is everywhere on the website. Namaste. You've got this, people. Again, have a sense of humor and let the fluidity of your being be in the moment. Say yes.